From humble beginnings in thread and fabric, a business empire arose that would redefine American capitalism. Today, we unravel the incredible story of Berkshire Hathaway, a journey that began not with stocks and bonds, but with looms and spindles. Our story starts in the late 19th century, with two separate companies, Berkshire Cotton Manufacturing Company and Hathaway Manufacturing Company, both textile producers for decades. They operated in a competitive industry, facing the challenges and triumphs of American manufacturing. The turning point came in the mid-20th century in 1955. These two companies merged to form Berkshire Hathaway, but the textile business was already in decline, and the company found itself struggling against overwhelming odds. Enter Warren Buffett in the early 1960s. Buffett, already a rising star in the investment world, saw an opportunity in Berkshire Hathaway's failing textile operations. He began acquiring shares, not with the intention of revitalizing the mills, but with a far grander vision. Buffett's strategy was revolutionary. Instead of pouring money into a dying industry, he used the cash flow generated by the textile business to acquire other, more promising companies. This marked a strategic shift from manufacturing to investment. He began making shrewd, long-term investments in businesses with strong fundamentals and durable competitive advantages. Companies like GEICO, an auto insurer, became early cornerstones, providing stable earnings that fueled further acquisitions. Over the decades, Berkshire Hathaway evolved from a struggling textile company into a diversified global conglomerate. Its portfolio expanded to include everything from insurance and railroads to energy and consumer products, all acquired and managed with Buffett's signature value investing philosophy. This relentless focus on acquiring wonderful businesses at fair prices and holding them for the long term has transformed Berkshire Hathaway into one of the world's most valuable and respected companies, a testament to unparalleled business acumen and a vision that spans generations.